How to lock apps on iPhone. Firstly, tap on Settings. Now scroll on your phone and tap on the Screen Time option. Scroll down to your screen and tap on Lock Screen Time Settings and set your passcode. After you're done setting your passcode, scroll up to the screen and find the option called App Limits. Tap on Add Limit and enter the same passcode that you set before. Now all you have to do is tap on the arrow and tap on the apps that you want to lock. As you can see, I am locking my WhatsApp for 3 minutes. After you do this, you can go on your app and check if it's working or not. As you can see, it is already working for me, so if you found this video helpful, please give like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you! If you found this video helpful, then please give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!